morning, everybody. Currently wearing some glasses because your girl had pink eye. Woo! I did not get it from Sunny though. I was really sick this past weekend. Apparently getting pink eye can be a symptom of the cold.
Mine was 6 months ago.
Yeah, Sunny's was 6 months ago.
Oh my god.
So 6 months later, I got pink eye. These are actually fake glasses. Do you want to see? I'm wearing it because I don't want to touch my eyes and get other people infected. Today is gonna be a very fun day actually because it's one of my really good friend's birthday. Hello friend, come in the frame. Meet my really good pal Winston. Winston got a haircut. Do you guys like it? Let me show you guys the before and after. Which haircut do you guys like better? How come you didn't say anything?
I don't want to be in the video.
Yes, you do.
This whole video can just be about me.
It's all about you.
No.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Winston.
Anything else to say? Say it's your birthday tomorrow.
It's my birthday tomorrow.
We got Sunny over here, chefing it up. We're all wearing glasses.
Except Eugen's is fake.
Yep, mine's fake. Aha!
It's kimchi season, everybody.
Dude, this is so good, guys. Like I mentioned, it's Winston's birthday, so today we're gonna be doing some fun things. Like, people are gonna come over and we're hosting a pocha at home.
Hello. It is editing Eugen, and while editing I realized that I didn't really talk about what a pocha was and what inspired me to do a pocha. So pocha is short for 포장마차, and they are all over the streets of Korea. They're usually like in these small red tents, and they sell popular street foods like spicy rice cakes, fish cake soup, and a lot of people go there to drink. And they have a lot of pochas in Koreatown, LA that I've been to, but I also saw like videos of Koreans decorating their home into pochas like this and this. So that is where I got my inspiration, and I really like how it came out, so I'm excited for you guys to continue watching. Okay, bye!
So we're gonna be getting hopefully some red tarp. I got some other decorations from Temu. And we're gonna get some pie for Winston's birthday as well. Yeah? Let's go.
Let's go.
Hello, Nana! Good morning.
This has been Nana's favorite spot lately. Right here in the sun. Still got a nosebleed. Bonk.
Bruh.
So cute. Oh my god, so cute. They don't have the red tarp thingy that I want, so I'm gonna go to tarp instead. Why are Pokemon cards so expensive?
Bonk. Huh?
The clouds be clouding today. We're at Office Depot. We finally looked online and they have it.
Hello!
Wait, this isn't red. Oh my god. Oh. Nice.
Perfect.
Hey everybody, I'm back home now. I was soaking this beef ribs in water because I'm gonna make some kabitan. This is not his favorite toy. Oh my god, you look crazy! It's boiling. Look at all that gunk. Radish. No, that's scary. It's gotta go in the broth. Ah! Disgusting. Hey everyone, we are currently at the Pocha location, which is our dining area. We're gonna cover the walls with these red tablecloths because Korean pochas are always in like red tents. Yeah. I hope it's big enough to cover everything. Please be big. Oh, it's kind of big. It'll do, I think. It's short. What do we do? Ah, it fell. Goodbye, clock. For now. Opening the second one. I feel like it looks pretty good so far. Yahoo! This looks kind of weird. This one's for the table. Good job. Sorry, I'm using a knife because I don't know where the scissors are. Ah! Yeah! These LED signs are so cute! This is the first one. It's a bear LED light. So cute. And then this is the second one. It's a cat drinking. I think I'm gonna put them both right over here. I also got some posters. Yeah! Oh my god, why no work?
Oh my god!
Yahoo! These are so cute. Okay, first we have kimchi. These are like menu posters. There's kimchi, soju, bibimbap, another kimchi, makgeolli, kimbap. Isn't that so cute? Do you guys see the vision here? Hey, Sunny.
Whoa! That's so cute.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, it's coming together.
So cute. Oh my god.
This is so cute. It's a cat drinking.
Oh my god.
Okay, everybody, here we go. Like right over here is good. Is that good? How does that look? Can't tell. Right here? Lower? Huh. Okay, we'll just do it for now. I can't get the hammer. Okay. Easy peasy. The spear one is so cute. Ta-da! Can't wait to turn all of these on. They're so cute. These are so cute. How do you hang these up? Oh, there's like these hooks right here. We're gonna do the lights. Ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh my god, that's so good. Okay, Winston, you can come out.
Whoa, look at people. The lights are so cool. Whoa, is this kimchi? Is this soju?
Yes.
Makgeolli? I love it. Whoa.
It's a cat.
Yes. Oh, that one is so cute.
I was gonna return these, but I might want to keep it
Where are you gonna
in my room.
Your room is already so packed.
Winston approves. Happy birthday, Winston.
I'm so appreciative of this decorations. We need to do it all over.
All over again?
Yeah.
10,435 takes later.
Oh my.
Everybody, Winston is very shy on camera and doesn't have, you know, as great of a reaction as Sunny Park! Sunny Park! Sunny Park will show a really good reaction right now.
Oh my god! You did this all for Winston? Oh my.
Is that kimchi?
It's like as if I'm in Korea. I miss Korea so much.
I've never been, but I basically feel like I'm there. Well done, well done.
the same thing.
Yeah.
Now we just wait for people to come. We're gonna have cake with the cue.
Bonk.
It smells so good.
Can I order a few copies?
Yeah. Kimchi jar. Cheers, everybody. Happy birthday.
It's like we're actually at the pocha.
I know, it literally looks like pocha. It's just so What is that? Oh, goodness.
Dude, his team is doing insane.
How did you know?
I just know.
Don't hit me. I'm getting it on video. Users.
Oh my god, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my god, are you okay?
You guys are fans of Sunny Park photo. Stop now.
Stop it. Get some help.
He is an abuser! Honestly, stay on Sunny Park. She's a Fanatic.
No, I'm just acting like it.
I think we should
It's good.
guys.
Oh!
You are
Dude, that's the one. Whoa!
Can I? Like, let's take it.
Bonk.
Is it 12 o'clock yet?
Oh, wait.
No one.
Birthday to the candles are burning. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my god, that's actually really good. Oh my god.
It's brown sugar? I thought it was like crumble.
Oh yeah. No, look at the texture. It's like
Crumble.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my god, let's go.
November 25th.
Come on, Jason. Jason.
we're trying.
Are we trying?
Nuts.
Nuts.